In the world of business analysis, clear, concise, and well-defined requirements are paramount. They form the bedrock upon which successful projects are built, guiding development teams, stakeholders, and organizations toward their desired outcomes. Yet uncovering these requirements is not always straightforward. It requires a deep understanding of the business, its goals, and the challenges it faces. This is where elicitation comes into play, serving as the crucial bridge between business needs and technological solutions. Elicitation, in essence, is the art and science of gathering information. It's about asking the right questions, listening attentively, and employing various techniques to uncover the implicit and explicit needs of stakeholders. Effective elicitation goes beyond simply documenting what stakeholders say they want. It delves deeper, seeking to understand the why behind the what. This deeper understanding is essential for identifying the underlying business needs and translating them into actionable requirements. Imagine a scenario where a company seeks to develop a new mobile application. A superficial approach might involve asking stakeholders what features they envision in the app. However, a skilled business analyst, through effective elicitation, would strive to understand the problems the app aims to solve, the target audience, their pain points, and their expectations. This in-depth understanding allows the analyst to formulate requirements that address the core business needs, leading to a more impactful and successful solution. In essence, elicitation is the cornerstone of successful business analysis. It's the process that lays the foundation for all subsequent activities, from requirements analysis and documentation to solution design and implementation. By mastering the art of elicitation, business analysts can ensure that projects are aligned with strategic goals, meet stakeholder needs, and deliver tangible business value. Elicitation is not a one-size-fits-all process. It requires a flexible approach, adapting to the specific project context, stakeholder dynamics, and organizational culture. Over time, a variety of techniques have emerged, each with its strengths and weaknesses, suitable for different situations. These techniques can be broadly categorized into three main types: collaborative, research-based, and experimental. Collaborative techniques, as the name suggests, center around interaction and collaboration among stakeholders. They aim to leverage the collective knowledge and perspectives of the group to uncover requirements. Workshops, focus groups, and brainstorming sessions are classic examples of collaborative techniques. These interactive sessions bring together stakeholders from different departments and levels, fostering a shared understanding of the problem domain and generating a comprehensive set of requirements. Research-based techniques, on the other hand, focus on gathering information through systematic investigation and analysis. This could involve reviewing existing documentation, analyzing industry trends, conducting surveys, or interviewing subject matter experts. The goal is to gain a deeper understanding of the problem domain, identify best practices, and uncover potential solutions. Research-based techniques are particularly useful when dealing with complex domains or when there's a need to supplement information gathered through collaborative methods. Experimental techniques involve creating prototypes or simulations to elicit feedback and refine requirements. These prototypes could range from simple paper-based mock-ups to interactive software simulations. The idea is to provide stakeholders with a tangible representation of the proposed solution, allowing them to interact with it, provide feedback, and identify potential issues early on. Experimental techniques are highly effective in clarifying ambiguous requirements, validating assumptions, and ensuring that the final solution meets stakeholder expectations. The success of any elicitation activity hinges on the skill of the facilitator. The facilitator, often the business analyst, plays a pivotal role in guiding the process, fostering a collaborative environment and ensuring that all voices are heard. Effective facilitation is not merely about moderating discussions, it's about creating a safe space where stakeholders feel comfortable sharing their ideas, concerns, and perspectives. One of the key skills of a good facilitator is active listening. It's about paying attention not just to the words spoken, but also to the nonverbal cues, understanding the underlying emotions and motivations driving stakeholder input. A skilled facilitator listens empathetically, asks clarifying questions, and summarizes key points to ensure shared understanding. Moreover, they are adept at managing group dynamics, encouraging participation from all members and tactfully steering discussions away from irrelevant tangents. Another crucial aspect of facilitation is conflict resolution. Elicitation sessions often involve stakeholders with differing viewpoints, priorities, and interests. A skilled facilitator anticipates potential conflicts, acknowledges different perspectives, and guides the group toward a consensus. They employ techniques like negotiation, compromise, and creative problem-solving to find solutions that address the needs of all stakeholders involved. Furthermore, a good facilitator is adaptable and flexible. They recognize that elicitation is not a linear process and are prepared to adjust their approach based on the group's dynamics and the evolving understanding of the problem domain. They are comfortable with ambiguity, open to new information, and willing to revisit previous assumptions if necessary. In essence, the facilitator acts as a guide, leading stakeholders on a journey of discovery, ensuring that the elicitation process is productive, inclusive, and ultimately leads to a shared understanding of the business needs. The outputs of elicitation form the bedrock upon which all subsequent business analysis activities are built. They provide the raw materials, the insights, and the understanding necessary to define the problem, shape potential solutions, and ultimately deliver business value. These outputs can take various forms, including documented requirements, user stories, process flows, prototypes, and even informal notes and observations. Documented requirements serve as the formal articulation of the elicited information. They capture stakeholder needs, business rules, constraints, and other relevant details in a structured and unambiguous manner. These documented requirements provide a shared understanding of the project scope, guide the development process, and serve as the basis for testing and validation. User stories, on the other hand, provide a more agile and user-centric approach to capturing requirements. They describe a specific functionality from the perspective of the end user, focusing on the user's goal and the value they seek to achieve. Process flows and diagrams visually represent the elicited information, illustrating how different parts of the system interact and how information flows within the organization. These visual aids provide a clear and concise way to communicate complex processes, identify bottlenecks, and streamline operations. Prototypes ranging from simple mock-ups to interactive simulations provide a tangible representation of the proposed solution, allowing stakeholders to experience the functionality firsthand, provide feedback, and validate assumptions. The impact of these elicitation outputs extends far beyond the initial stages of a project. They influence solution design, development priorities, testing strategies, and ultimately, the success of the implemented solution. By investing time and effort in effective elicitation, organizations can ensure that their projects are aligned with strategic goals, meet stakeholder needs, and deliver tangible business value. Section 5, Collaborative Elicitation, Power of Shared Understanding. Collaborative elicitation techniques, as the name suggests, revolve around actively engaging stakeholders in a collective effort to unearth, analyze, and define business requirements. This collaborative approach recognizes that knowledge and insights are often distributed among various individuals and groups, and bringing them together can lead to a richer and more comprehensive understanding of the problem domain. Workshops are a cornerstone of collaborative elicitation. These structured sessions bring together key stakeholders from different departments and levels of the organization, fostering an environment where diverse perspectives can converge. Facilitated discussions, brainstorming sessions, and interactive exercises encourage participants to share their knowledge, challenge assumptions, and build a common understanding of the desired outcomes. Focus groups provide a more targeted approach, gathering feedback from a specific group of users or stakeholders. These sessions delve deeper into specific aspects of the problem domain, allowing participants to share their experiences, express their needs, and provide valuable insights into their expectations. The interactive nature of focus groups encourages open dialogue, allowing participants to build on each other's ideas and arrive at a shared vision. Brainstorming sessions, often used in the early stages of elicitation, aim to generate a wide range of ideas and possibilities. By encouraging free-flowing thought and suspending judgment, brainstorming unlocks creativity, allowing participants to explore unconventional solutions and identify potential opportunities that might otherwise be overlooked. The collaborative nature of these sessions fosters a sense of ownership and buy-in among stakeholders, ensuring that the elicited requirements reflect the collective wisdom of the group. Section 6. Research-based elicitation, unearthing hidden insights. While collaborative techniques excel at bringing stakeholders together, research-based elicitation techniques delve into the realm of existing information and expert knowledge to uncover hidden insights and supplement the understanding gained through collaborative efforts. These techniques recognize that valuable information often resides in documents, data, and the minds of individuals who possess deep knowledge of the problem domain. Document analysis involves systematically reviewing existing documentation, such as business plans, process manuals, system specifications, and previous project artifacts. This methodical examination can unearth valuable insights into existing processes, identify potential pain points, and uncover constraints that might impact the proposed solution. By analyzing past projects, business analysts can learn from previous successes and failures, ensuring that the new initiative builds upon existing knowledge. Industry analysis broadens the scope of research, looking beyond the confines of the organization to understand industry trends, best practices, and competitive landscapes. This external perspective provides valuable context, allowing business analysts to benchmark against industry standards, identify potential opportunities for innovation, and anticipate future challenges. By staying abreast of industry developments, organizations can ensure that their solutions remain relevant and competitive in an ever-changing market. Interviews with subject matter experts, SMEs, provide a direct line to individuals who possess specialized knowledge and experience within the problem domain. These structured conversations delve deep into specific aspects of the business, eliciting insights, clarifying ambiguities, and validating assumptions. By tapping into the expertise of SMEs, business analysts gain a deeper understanding of the intricacies of the problem domain, ensuring that the elicited requirements are accurate, comprehensive, and reflect the realities of the business. Section 7. Experimental elicitation, prototyping the future. Experimental elicitation techniques introduce a tangible dimension to the process, moving beyond abstract discussions and documented requirements to create interactive representations of the envisioned solution. These techniques, primarily centered around prototyping, empower stakeholders to experience the proposed functionality firsthand, providing valuable feedback that shapes the final product. Prototyping, in essence, is the art of building simplified representations of the proposed solution, focusing on specific aspects or functionalities. These prototypes can range from low-fidelity mock-ups, such as paper prototypes or wireframes, to high-fidelity simulations that mimic the look and feel of the final product. The level of fidelity chosen depends on the specific goals of the elicitation activity, the complexity of the functionality being tested, and the stage of the project. The power of prototyping lies in its ability to elicit concrete feedback. By interacting with a tangible representation, stakeholders can readily identify potential usability issues, clarify ambiguities, and articulate their needs with greater precision. Prototypes serve as a common ground for discussion, facilitating communication between technical teams and business stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is aligned on the envisioned solution. Moreover, prototyping fosters a culture of experimentation and iteration. By creating multiple iterations of a prototype, each incorporating feedback from previous rounds of testing, the solution evolves organically, converging towards a design that effectively addresses stakeholder needs. This iterative approach reduces the risk of costly rework later in the development cycle, ensuring that the final product meets expectations and delivers the desired business value. Section 8. Conclusion elicitation, a continuous journey. Mastering business requirements through effective elicitation is not a one-time event. It's a continuous journey that extends throughout the project lifecycle. As projects evolve, new information emerges, priorities shift, and stakeholder needs become clearer. Therefore, elicitation should not be viewed as a discrete phase, but rather as an ongoing process of discovery, refinement, and validation. Business analysts play a pivotal role in this journey, acting as facilitators, investigators, and communicators. They bridge the gap between business stakeholders and technical teams, ensuring that everyone has a shared understanding of the problem domain and the desired outcomes. By employing a diverse toolkit of elicitation techniques, adapting their approach to the specific context, and fostering a collaborative environment, business analysts lay the foundation for successful projects that deliver tangible business value. The fruits of effective elicitation are manifold. Well-defined requirements provide a clear roadmap for development teams, reduce the risk of costly rework, and increase the likelihood of delivering a solution that meets stakeholder needs. Moreover, the insights gained through elicitation inform strategic decision-making, optimize business processes, and drive innovation. In conclusion, elicitation is not merely about gathering information, it's about understanding the why behind the what, uncovering hidden needs, and translating them into actionable requirements. By embracing the principles of collaboration, research, and experimentation, business analysts can master the art of elicitation, ensuring that their projects are aligned with strategic goals, meet stakeholder expectations, and deliver exceptional business value.